Hello artists! Welcome to the 5th episode of Madhubani Art under What's Your Hobby, and today we'll learn how to draw Madhubani flower motifs. Let's start! Let us start with the simple flower motifs. So we'll start with just draw across like this and then join the ends. And then what you have to do, you have to give a double line. The second flower will be make a small circle, give a double line, and then draw 4 leaf-like structures. Now join these together like the third flower is again starting with the small 2 circles. After that you make 8 straight lines like this. And then cap it up. So this is our third flower. The fourth flower is also on the same line. This is our fourth flower. Coming to the fifth flower, this will be on a semicircle. The sixth one will be a little different, but it will still start with 2 small circles. This is our sixth flower. Moving on to the seventh one. let me draw the 8th flower here. Since this will be a little bigger in size. This is the 8th flower or the lotus which we can use in our Madhubani paintings. Now coming to the 9th flower. Now the 10th flower which I'll show is most often put on the dresses and gowns of the figures we draw in Madhubani. So these type of motifs we can put on the dresses and gowns of Madhubani characters. So these are the 10 types of flowers we can use in our Madhubani paintings. In my next session, we'll color the flowers and we'll also show the drawing of branches and leaves in Madhubani style. Until then, stay tuned to What's Your Hobby. Bye-bye.